Hi, grade 4 Emirati syllabus. Today it will be a review on unit 4, 5, and 6. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a review on the 3 units 4, 5, 6. Here we review 4 and the usage of 4 and 2. We review the proposition. We review the present simple tense and writing. Let's go to the first item in our review today, which is vocab. Here is we learn some vocab. Let's remind us with it. Here we learn happy, excited, worried, tired. Here is bored and scared. I would like to say something that when we talk about persons, we put ed to the adjective. When we talk about things, we use ing for ing. So I would like to explain this in the separated paper. I would like to explain when we say here is we say here we say when we say we say she is bored. She is bored. Okay, she is bored. She's bored. Okay, she's bored. So here I expressing the emotion of the girl that she's feeling bored. So when we say this book is boring, so I express the book by saying it's boring. This book is boring. So here I express the something by adding ing to adjective like this. Here is book. I adding ing to the adjective. Here we say she's bored, adding ed to the person. Okay, so here is the difference. When we talk about person, here we talk about person. Here we talk about person, and here we talk about what? About something. We talk here about something, and here is about person. Something. Here is something. Here is something, and here is person. So when we express the emotion, we use board, and here when we talk about something, we use ing form. Let's go to continue the rest of our lesson today. Here let's review the vocab together. Here is we have happy, excited, worried, tired, angry, mosque. Here is mask. Hospital, here's mask, and here's hospital, bored, scared, shy, traffic, school, park, museum, library. Here we have fire station, street, neighbors, mailbox, bath, crosswalk, and sign. Here is we have subordinating conjunctions. Let's learn it together. We use because, when, and if. When we use this conjunction, we use because when we talk about reason. Okay, like this one, I feel happy because it's my birthday. So I'm expressing the happiness that I'm in by saying I feel happy because it's my birthday. So I give the reason for my happiness. When, to tell the time, like this one, I smile when I see my friends. When I see my friends, when I have a gift, when anything. Okay, so here I talk about some time of this thing. Here we say if to tell a condition. Here we say this is called if conditional. I have conditional if. When we say if it rains, I stay at home. Okay, like this one. So here I will use if in the middle of the sentence. Okay, when we talk about 2 and 4. We use to what to before and a verb action. Okay, when we say to play, I go to park to play. So here to is have the same use of because, but he used as because. Okay, to give the reason. We use it also to give reason. When we say why we go to the park, I go to the park to play. When here we talk about for, I talk about for. Is a noun for thing, or like this one. We go to the park for fun. Okay, here is remember to plus verb. To must be followed by verb. For must be followed by noun, like this one. Here we say to eat, to read, to play. So to must be followed by verb. For must be followed by what? By noun, like this one. For food, for medicine, for fun, and so on. Here we say this is the practice on what we learn here. We go to school to learn. We go to school to learn. We go to school for classes. Let's go to another one here. Here is the present simple tense. And when we use the verbs that ending s and others don't ending s, like this one. Here when we use she, it, we use s in the verbs. You, we, they, I don't take s. So I have here I. Here we miss I. I also don't take s. So here we use I, you, we, they don't take s, but he, she, it take s. Here we say she drinks water. We play games. Let's go to another one here. Here is the proposition. Let's review the proposition. Here is when you say here is the apple is on the books. Here apples in the books. Next to, this is the next to. This is in front of. This is behind. This is between. This is under. This is through. This is around. Okay. So here we have the same as the proposition here. Here is the bird. What is in? Here is the bird is when you say here in. The bird here is on. Here is under. Our clever pupils. I'm listening you say under. Here is between. Here is between. Here is, I think it's above. I think this one. This part what's doing. I would like to review here in this part to answer in the middle. Here is this one, and I can't see it well. I would like to know it here. Here you say here through. Here you say in, on. Here is under. Here is through. I think through. I think through. This is through, and this is between. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is the exercise. Let's answer together. Here is the pictures, and here is the sentence related to this picture. Let's do it together. There are many cars and buses in the road. Which one? This one. So I select this one by this one. I go to I go to there to learn and meet my friends. Which one? School. This. So I select this one by this one. My father goes to pray. To pray in what? In the mosque. In the mosque. This one. In the mosque. Sick people go to see doctors. Here was what? Hospital. Excellent. She feels quiet. She feels quiet and doesn't like to talk. This one. Firefighters work in the fire what? In the fire station. Clever people. We play on the swings and slide. Well, in the what? In the park. In the park we play swings and slide. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, Mariam feels what? Mariam feels happy. I answer some of them, 5 sentences, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as homework. Okay. Here in this part, we give you the word in is not write it in correct way. So we can write it in correct way. Okay. This depends on what? On keeping the vocab. Here is we say Mariam feels happy. Here is Ali feels worried when he can't find book. Okay, here is worried. I can write it as we write it here, and I can do it by my mind because I know every sentence expressing what. Sarah feels space when gets a new toy. When it gets new toy, feels happy or feels here excited. Excited expressing its happiness. Okay. We have excited, we have excited, we have happy, we have pleased, all this expressing the happiness. Here is Omar feels space after long day in the school. Feels tired. It will be here tired. Feels tired. Feels tired. Here is tired. I think Hisa feels space when her brother breaks her toy. Angry. He feels angry. So here to be here angry. To be here angry. Okay. I answer 5 of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as the homework. I think it's an easy exercise to do by yourself. Okay. I answer 5 of them only, and the rest it will be easy. Okay. Let's go to another item here. Here is reading comprehension. In the exam, we have reading comprehension. And I would like to say something grade 4. We follow in all the countries that we have a comprehension. In comprehension question, we must read the text very well, because we have something is beyond the meaning. So we must concentrate when we read the text to answer the questions in the correct way. Let's read this text together and answer the question below. Hisa lives in a small community. Every day she walks to school with her brother. I think now until this line, this is clear. Okay, this is clear. Her father works in the hospital. He helps sick people and gives medicine to them. Her mother makes sandwiches for the workers at the fire station. Hisa always says thank you to the firefighters because they help people when there is a fire. After school, Hisa goes to the library. She loves reading books about community helpers. On weekends, she cleans the park for everyone to enjoy. Hisa believes that helping others makes a community happy place. I think this is called volunteer. Volunteer, okay, volunteer. We know as volunteer we can replace it by saying volunteer, okay? We took the same text in Egyptian syllabus, okay? About this, the people who helps in the community. Her father works in what? Her father works is what, as you know here in this text, in the hospital. So I write here hospital. In what? In hospital. Let's go to another one. Here we say, her mother makes sandwiches what? Sandwiches for workers, as we know here. Sandwiches for what? For workers. That makes sandwiches for what here? For workers. Make sandwiches for workers. So here is the first one is to be here hospital. Another one for workers. After school, Hisa goes to what? After school, Hisa goes to what here? As we know here from the topic, let's read it together. After school goes to what? To the library. So here's so the answer here, it will be here library. Firefighters, please, people who have here misprinting here, because people don't written like this. People written like this, okay? Have misprinting people written like this. Have here misprinting here, okay? Here we have misprinting. Here's people. Firefighters help in firefighters here. It will be help people when there is a fire. It will be here help people. Okay, help people. Firefighters here, as we know during the lesson, firefighters here help people. Okay. And the last, the one before the last one, on weekends she cleans the space for everyone. She cleans on the weekends. We cleans what? We clean the park. It will be here. We cleans the park. Cleans the park. This one. Helping others makes her what? Makes her community a happy place. Makes the community a happy place. So I will answer again. Here we say her father works at hospital, in the hospital, works in a hospital. Let's go to another next one. Her mother makes sandwiches for what? For workers. Here is for workers. After school, Hisa goes to what? To the library. Goes to the library. Firefighters, people when there is a fire, help people when there is a fire, as we know here. Let's go to another to next sentence. On weekends, she cleans the space for everyone. Cleans what? Cleans the park. Cleans the park. Helping others makes her what? Helping others makes her community happy place. Let's go to another item here. It will be here reading my neighborhood. Okay, here is my neighborhood. Let's read it together. I will leave it to do it by yourself as well. Okay, I would like to, because I don't want to make the video longer, I will leave this to do it by yourself as let's go to another. I answer one and I leave this to make your mind an answer, and I hope to send to answer and send it to me on the channel to correct it for you. Here is we say writing here. Write a complete sentence for the picture. Use the words here in this part. Here is we say firefighter. So I say what? Firefighters help the people. So here must it will be I go must to pray. Okay, the traffic street makes me, I say here traffic street makes me angry. I go the children are playing, or here we say the children are playing in the park. Okay, here is the children. I will answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay, here we say I go to mosque. I go to mosque to pray. I go to mosque. I go to mosque. I go to mosque here. I go to mosque to what? To pray. To pray. All of us go to mosque to pray. Muslims, okay? I'll talk about Muslims. Let's go to another one. Here we say the children playing in the park. So here we say the children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park, or are playing in the park, or playing in the park, are playing in the park. They're playing in the park. Okay. I leave the rest to do it by yourself. I see you how to write the sentence, and the rest it will be easy to do it by yourself. Okay. By this question, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Bye.